Welcome to Century Chute Easy Wave product line of trash and linen chute systems. The BySorter configuration parameters training video demonstrates multiple configuration options and parameter settings, explains the purpose of customizing BySorter functions, and describes how to optimize chute system operations. Each of the parameter menu configuration settings impact how the BySorter equipment responds to control system signals and user input operations. Parameter descriptions and configuration terminology are based on the following equipment functions and naming conventions. The diverter plate mechanism has two positions, vertical and angled. There are two waste container areas under the BySorter, side A and side B. The BySorter waste stream can be separated into two categories, garbage and recycle. A list of alternative waste stream label names is available for each category. Selecting an alternative label name will change the contents of the user interface display messages. If recycle full parameter determines how the sorter responds when the cart sensors detect a recycle full condition. With the default option, lockout chute, the control system will generate a recycle full alarm message, lock out the chute, and wait for service personnel to replace the recycle container. With the alternative option, send to garbage, the control system will generate a recycle full alarm message but does not lock out the chute. All waste, including recycle, will be sent to the garbage side container until service personnel replace the recycle container. Lockout garbage side parameter can be enabled or disabled. Select true or false. By default, it is disabled, and the BySorter operates normally. To enable, select True, set the toggle switch back to the enable position, and now all garbage side cart signals are ignored. The first time any intake door selection switch is pressed, the BySorter moves to the recycle position and will not return to the garbage side again. Both intake door selection switches will continue to operate, but all waste, including garbage, will be sent to the recycle side containers. In this mode, the BySorter operates as if the garbage side does not exist. Lockout recycle side parameter provides a lockout function on the recycle side of the BySorter in a similar manner as the lockout garbage side. To enable, select True. Set the toggle switch back to the enable position, and in this case, the BySorter operates as if the recycle side does not exist. The lockout side parameters allow the BySorter to continue operating in a semi-functional state during some exceptional circumstances. For example, in the case of a new construction building, trash compactors might be installed before recycling equipment is available. By activating lockout recycle side configuration, the chute system can be put into temporary service as a single waste stream trash chute. Select Name for Side A parameter provides a list of alternative waste stream label names. Changing the label name will help match user interface display messages to the type of waste material associated with Side A. Select Name for Side B parameter operates in a similar manner and will change user interface display messages associated with Side B. For most BySorter applications, default names garbage and recycle are typically sufficient. However, the flexibility of this feature is an advantage in other applications such as TriSorter equipment. Side map parameter determines how the bisorter sets up the diverter plate position in response to intake door push-button selection switches. By default, when the trash button is selected, the diverter plate moves to the vertical position and trash is sent to side A containers. When recycle button is selected, recycled material is sent to side B containers. Select the alternative option to switch this association. Now recycle is sent to side A and garbage is sent to side B. This feature determines the position of waste containers and can be used to optimize the placement of large dumpsters associated with trash compactors within the floor plan of a building. The parameters out1 chute state inverted, out3 fault 1 inverted, out4 fault 2 inverted are associated with digital output ports on the bisorter electronic hardware printed circuit board. The output electronic devices are solid-state relays. Driven by control system software programming, this parameter determines if the output is active on or active off. For example, out3 and out4 are associated with the output alarm relay to help decode the meaning of alarm conditions. In practice, outputs will be connected as data signals to the larger building facility control system electronics. After completing service menu operations within Chute lockout service mode, set the toggle switch back to the enable position to activate updated parameter values and configuration settings. This concludes our training video, and thank you for choosing Century Chute EasyWave product line of trash and linen chute systems. Please refer to the bisorter operating and installation instructions manual and the EasyWave chute system operating instructions manual for additional information.